Blancpain has been an ocean advocate for a very, very long time. It encourages ocean exploration, basically the world that have never been documented or been hidden from the public. The creatures I took, most of them are just like the baby stages of many marine animals that we already know. For example, like the crabs, most of them start as drifting larvae. So even if we think we know them, but we actually do not know the mysterious childhood that they experience. I think that aligns with Blancpain's mission to reveal the hidden world of marine life.